Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to fix the app which keeps crashing. Alright, so I'll present to you different methods, different ways which you can apply to your device to fix that stubborn app. And the first one, which might be obvious for you, is the phone restart, because sometimes even though this operation is really easy, it could help. So all we have to do is to press the power button and volume up button once, and then tap on restart. After that, your device will be powered off and then powered on, and fortunately the app will work perfectly fine again. If not, there are still some methods which you can follow. So first of all, we will try to force stop the app, because probably it could be the cause that the app is still running in the background, however it is not showing, and that's why we cannot really open it. So let's open the settings. Right here, in this list, we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap, and then tap on see all 68 apps, of course 68 in my case. Now in this section, in this list, we have to find the app which keeps crashing. So let's pretend in my case it is Chrome. So just tap on it, and here we've got this option force stop. So just tap on it. Confirm it with OK, and now you can try to open the Chrome. Again, I cannot really because I've got the limiter, but I mean the app limit. Alright, but right now it is active, and as you can see, it should open perfectly fine. If not, you can again try to restart your device to just save the changes, let's say. If that doesn't work, you can try to update the app, because sometimes the updates from the developer can fix the problems. Sometimes it is not just the problem in your device, but with the app overall. So let's go to the Play Store. Of course, be aware, because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can check our tutorial of how to do it, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. So in the Play Store, let's tap on this circle in the right upper corner, and then go to My Apps and Games, tap on Manage, and tap on Updates Available. In my case, I do not have any here, but that's okay. Let me, for example, check for the, I don't know, maybe Facebook. Obviously, it will not be, the update is not available in my case, or actually it is, as you can see. So after finding the app, just tap on Update, and your device will download the update. If that doesn't work, there's also another thing which you can do, and you can try to uninstall the app. So let's say Facebook in my case, just tap on Uninstall, tap on Uninstall. Your device will remove it from the storage, and then try to install it again, and hopefully it will work. If not, if we are still in this subject of updating something, we can update the system. So let's go to the settings. Let me go back, scroll down to the very bottom and find system updates. Then tap on check for updates, and your device will try to find the new system version. And if you've got one, I highly recommend to download it and apply it, because it could also fix some problems. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.